Today, I'm going to share Dr. Richard Schulze's powerful liver detox recipe that's packed with herbs and natural ingredients to help cleanse and support your liver. It's simple, effective, and can make a huge difference in how you feel. Dr. Schulze often stresses that the liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It's responsible for filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and supporting a wide range of bodily functions. When it becomes overloaded with toxins, processed foods, medications, and environmental pollutants, the liver can struggle, leading to a variety of health problems. That's why he believes liver detoxification is key to keeping it functioning at its best. This detox includes milk thistle, known for its liver-protecting properties, along with dandelion root, which helps your liver release toxins. Burdock root, turmeric, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and apple cider vinegar all work together to help cleanse, stimulate bile production, and support your liver's natural detox process. To make this, you'll start by brewing a tea with milk thistle and dandelion root. Then, mix up a detox drink with fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and some turmeric. Drink it first thing in the morning, and you're good to go. Trust me, your liver will thank you. For best results, make this detox a part of your daily routine for about 2 to 3 weeks, and remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You'll notice increased energy, clearer skin, and just an overall sense of well-being. Schulze also believes that detoxification isn't just a one-time event. It's a regular part of maintaining your health. By supporting your liver with natural herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, and burdock root, you're helping to stimulate bile production, flush out toxins, and even promote liver regeneration. It's all about restoring the body to its natural state of health and preventing long-term issues. Dr. Schulze emphasizes that detoxification should be part of an overall health maintenance plan. So, by taking care of your liver, you're setting yourself up for better health overall, feeling more energetic, clearer, and more vibrant.